Today is 2 weeks post the date that we were given as a commitment. A commitment given by none other than the Deputy Governor. A commitment given by none other than the County Public Service Board. So it is not like we acted immediately once this period expired. We gave a grace period of another 2 weeks. So I want to say that it is not really these workers who are responsible for the suffering of those patients, but it is the officers who are charged, who gave us those promises, who gave us their word, who have ensured the patients have to be where they are today by keeping us out of work.
We spend our own money, go to school, specialize. But when it comes to promotions, it's become a very big problem in this county. So we are kindly requesting the list that is in there, can they kindly release those letters to our members so that we can go back to do what is important for us and our clients. We want to go back to work. But if that's not possible, as indicated by Dr. Okumu, we will picket each and every other day until we get our papers. We get our letters, tukuwe na hiyo makaratasi, wanasema ni makaratasi, tupatiwe tukae nayo, we really appreciate.